Good morning students. Today we are starting with our new lecture of coal and petroleum. We will be discussing the concept of petroleum. Petroleum is believed to have formed over a period of millions of years from organisms that lived in the sea at that time. When these organisms died, their dead bodies settled on the seabed and got covered with sand and clay. Over millions of years, heat and pressure changed the dead organism into petroleum hydrocarbons. Occurrence: petrol and natural gas are often found together as large deposits deep inside the earth crust. Petroleum is obtained by drilling through the earth and impervious non-porous rocks above it. The world's first oil well to yield petroleum was dug in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. In India, oil was first struck in Makum in Assam in 1867. In India, oil is obtained from oil wells in Assam, Gujarat, Bombay High, in the deltas of river Godavari and Kaveri and other places. The crude oil pumped out from a well is a black liquid. Because of its importance in today's world, it is referred to as black gold. Here it's a crude oil, here water, reservoir rock, it's a gas, and these are the impervious rocks, and these are the concept of ocean. Refining of petroleum. The various hydrocarbons present in petroleum have different boiling points. As the number of carbon atoms in a hydrocarbon increases, its boiling point also increases. This property is used to separate the different components of petroleum by fractional distillation. The components with different boiling point are known as fractions, and the process of separating the fractions by fractional distillation is known as refining. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. Crude oil is first heated to about 400 degrees Celsius in a furnace. The vapors formed are passed into a tall fractionating column or tower. The hydrocarbons with the highest boiling point condense first. They get collected near the base of the fractionating tower. As the vapor rises, the hydrocarbon with lower boiling point condense at different height. They get separated in the fractionating tower to form the different fractions. The hydrocarbon with 1,4 carbon atoms, which are gases, do not condense and escape from the top of the tower. Each fraction obtained is itself a mixture of several hydrocarbons. Some of these are used in the same form as obtained. Some are further separated by natural distillation or other methods to give different products. Some important petroleum fractions and their uses are given in table 5.1. This is table 5.1. So uses of petroleum. Major products obtained from petroleum. Petroleum products are primarily used as fuels. In addition, some chemicals obtained from petroleum are used to make medicine, ointments, cosmetics. Further fractional distillation of petroleum fractions yield chemicals that are used to manufacture materials such as plastic, synthetic rubber, synthetic fiber, and explosives. Natural gas is found along with petroleum in reservoirs under the ground. It is chiefly made up of methane, tub, butane, and propane. Are also present in small proportions. It can be easily transported through pipes and is a clean, non-polluting fuel. It is stored under high pressure as CNG, compressed natural gas. CNG is used for power generation. In some parts of India, Vadodara, CNG is supplied to homes and factories through pipes and directly used as a fuel. CNG is also now being used as a non-polluting fuel for vehicles. Natural gas is used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. Deposits of natural gas are found in India in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. So first concept is how petroleum is formed. So our first concept means how petroleum is formed. How petroleum is formed. So millions of years ago, means a lot of sea animals died. That means millions of years ago a lot of ocean animals or sea animals died and they got buried under the surface of sand that is lying under the ocean and got buried in the sand below ocean. With time this sand converted to rocks. With time this sand, because it got hard, this sand got converted to rocks, and a lot of pressure and temperature acted on these fossil fuels and they got converted into petroleum. A lot of temperature, because they are underlying the layer of this sand, so a lot of temperature and pressure acted on them, and with time they changed to fossil fuel. So in this way petroleum is formed. So it can also be asked how petroleum is formed. The stories like this means sea animals died, got buried under sand. With time that sand converted to rocks, a lot of temperature and pressure acted on them, and with time they converted to fossil fuels. Next concept is where is petroleum is found. That means the science is saying the petroleum is present in the earth's crust. That means petroleum is present in the earth's crust. Okay, we know that it is present in earth's crust. What is its appearance? It is black liquid. Black liquid. So its appearance is black liquid, like this. And there is a gas which is found over this petroleum. That name is natural gas. Natural gas is present over the layer of petroleum. It may be present or may not be present over the layer of petroleum. Okay, like this. That means when we will drill the earth crust to get the petroleum, there is a chance we can get the natural gas from there. Okay. And then concept is where petroleum is found in India. It is found in India in Assam, Gujarat. Assam and Gujarat. These are the two states where petroleum is found. Means there are oil wells in our country in Assam and Gujarat from where we get the petroleum. I've told you its appearance is black liquid. Okay. But its importance is more in today's world. Means every vehicle is running on petrol, so its importance is more in today's world. So this as its appearance is black liquid and its importance is more, so it is known as black gold. So they can ask a question, why petroleum is known as black gold. The appearance of petroleum is black liquid and the cost of petroleum or the importance of petroleum is like gold. That's why it is known as black gold. So this is the concept, black gold. So next concept is refining of petroleum. So what is this refining? This is nothing. That means we have got the petroleum from the oil well. Na? This petroleum, it consists of so many components in between it. There are so many components, and these components like diesel, petrol, kerosene, they are having the different boiling points. Means in petroleum, components are there which are having the different boiling point. And these components, they are known as the fractions. They are known as, science says them as fractions. They are known as fractions. So different components are present in the petroleum which are having the different boiling point, and they are known as the fractions. Example is, fraction is example, diesel is also a fraction of petroleum. Petrol or kerosene, and separation of these different components of petroleum is known as the refining of petroleum. When we are separating the different components of the petroleum, we are doing the refining of petroleum. So the separation of components of petroleum is known as refining of petroleum. So refining of petroleum. Like this. So the separation of components of petroleum is known as refining of petroleum.